Hello and welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbag. It was cloudy skies and light rains in parts of the airport areas of the FCT Abuja and some other parts of the FCT on Wednesday morning. And for the rest of Wednesday, let's see what the weather holds for us in other places. Over the northeastern parts of the country, we expect to see partly cloudy to cloudy conditions with prospects for thunderstorms in Gombe, Jalingo, and Yola. The central parts of the country extending from Makurdi down to Lokoja and also parts of Niger State also have prospects for thunderstorms much later in the day, while the southeastern parts of the country are also expected to watch out for thunderstorms with rains over Enugu, Ikom, and Port Harcourt areas. Temperatures are expected to reach the highest values of 33 degrees Celsius over Potiskum, while Maiduguri is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius and Sokoto 32. The FCT is expected to be 28 degrees Celsius, while the southern cities are expected to experience temperatures between the range of 27 degrees Celsius over Benin areas to about 29 degrees Celsius in Enugu and Port Harcourt areas. For the likely impact of the anticipated weather, places that appear in green over the frontline northern states extending towards the central parts of the country around Nasarawa and also Plateau and Gombe states are expected not to experience any serious impact from the anticipated rainfall. However, a few places over the southeastern coast of Calabar and also Akwa Ibom State are expected to experience moderate to heavy rainfall as a result of the anticipated weather over this region. By Thursday, there are still prospects for thunderstorms over the northeastern parts of the country around Gombe, Jalingo, and also extending towards Jos areas. We also expect to see thunderstorms around the central parts of the country, which is expected to be very active on Thursday. And so thunderstorms are expected to affect places around Makurdi, Lokoja, and also parts of the FCT Abuja extending towards the southwestern parts of the country. We expect thunderstorms over Ikom, Calabar, and also Port Harcourt in Rivers State. For our daytime highs on this day, we still expect the highest temperature of 33 degrees Celsius over Potiskum, and also Yelwa is expected to be 33 degrees Celsius. Sokoto 31 degrees Celsius and Kaduna 29 degrees Celsius. The FCT Abuja is expected to experience daytime highs of 28 degrees Celsius. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect to see temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius over Ilorin, Ibadan, and Lagos areas, while places around Benin and also Warri areas of Delta State are expected to experience temperatures of 28 degrees Celsius. For the likely impact of the anticipated weather, we expect this very active belt over the central part of the country to produce moderate to heavy rains, especially over the FCT Abuja, Niger State, and also part of the southeastern states of Cross River and the southern state of Akwa Ibom State. Places that appear in green over the frontline northern states are not expected to experience any serious impact from the light rains to moderate rains that are expected over this region. However, places that appear in yellow extending from Kogi down towards Edo and Delta states as well as Ogun State are expected to experience moderate rainfall without any serious impact on the people living around these areas. By Friday, we expect places around the central states to be cloudy with prospects for some light rains over Abuja, the FCT, Lokoja, and also parts of Nasarawa and Benue State. We also expect to see thunderstorms over the northwestern parts of Kaduna, Katsina, and also Sokoto and Yellow areas. We expect the southwestern parts of the country to be cloudy, with prospects for just light and intermittent rains because of the effect of the little dry season over these areas on this day. So temperatures on this day are expected to drop slightly to 32 degrees Celsius over Potiskum, while Yelwa is expected to maintain temperatures of 33 degrees Celsius from the previous day. Abuja is expected to experience temperature of 28 degrees Celsius, and over the south we are likely to see a slight increase in temperatures to about 31 degrees Celsius over Lagos and Ibadan areas, 30 over Warri, and 32 over Port Harcourt in Rivers State. This is where we would conclude our 3-day weather forecast. Thanks for watching, and do keep a date with us again.